अवाजी समातुन ताई रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंदन।
This is Dr. Terry Jackson. Please tune in. Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show and it will change your life.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, the most gracious, the creator of this world, of the universes, the creator of you and mine, the creator of all of us, and one who feeds all of us. You're listening to the radio, which has become the voice of Sindh, which has become the interpreter of the sorrows and the joys and the bliss and the problems and the beauty of the land of Sindh, the people of Sindh, the individuals belonging to this land, and the past and the present of this land, which is called Radio Voice of Sindh London. And from Radio Voice of Sindh London, this is our weekly show, Indus Melodies, our weekly English show, which is being broadcasted every Saturday, 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time. And you all are welcome to this show, Indus Melodies. This is me, Yasir Kazi, the host, the compiler, and the executive producer of this show, who presents this show every week from September 2020. And saying you all welcome to the show. Assalamu alaikum, Haq Maujood, Namaskar, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Aloha, Mujrusa, and Bhalikar. I hope you are doing good, and I hope you had a great week, and I wish you a very relaxing weekend. Happy weekend to all of you who have started the weekend today, and also those who have started the weekend yesterday. That depends upon your office schedule, your work schedule, whether you're working on Saturday or not, because there are many offices which are off on Saturdays, so it depends when your weekend starts. This is our program number 10 of season number 1 of Indus Melodies, and this is Saturday today, Rabiul Awwal 20th, 1442, as per Hijra calendar, Katti 23rd, 2077, 2077, as per local calendar, Sindhi calendar or Bakrami calendar, and November the 7th, 2020, as per Gregorian calendar. So, welcome to this show. Right now, this is 3:03 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, 2:33 as per Indian Standard Time, 2:03 as per UAE Standard Time, 6:03 as per Eastern Time, UTC -5, GMT -4, in Washington DC, New York City, and Toronto, and many cities and areas around these cities. And this is 11:03 as per UK Standard Time. Folks, as you all know, that this has been our tradition to start with a hamd, with a hymn, with the name of Almighty Allah. So we are starting with the hamd written by Hazrat Shah Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of Sindh, sung by Ustad Muhammad Juman, in which Shah Sai says, "You are my master, you are my creator, so please don't be distant from me, far from me." Let's start with this hamd.
दातार तू जा मिले ही मंगना ही हम दाता वसल सदा वसी तू जे घर अची मूं त मेरी आई मानुला हो वला मुझो मां मालिक तू ही तू मुझो मालिक तू ही तू ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की अल्लाह ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की मुझो मालिक तू ही तू मुझो मालिक तू ही तू ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की अल्लाह ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की मुझो मालिक तू हिता हलिया केतिरा हाणे बारो मूं अल्लाह हिता हलिया केतिरा हाणे बारो मूं अल्लाह ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की ओ ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की मुझो मालिक तू ही तू मुझो मालिक तू ही तू ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की ओ ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की मुझो मालिक तू कर माथे बाहिड़ी बारी आहे मूं अल्लाह कर माथे बाहिड़ी बारी आहे मूं अल्लाह ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की ओ ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की मुझो मालिक तू ही तू मुझो मालिक तू ही तू ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की ओ ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की मुझो मालिक तू अगियूं शाहु लतीफ़ चवे मन जो महरम तूं अल्लाह ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की ओ ॿियो बरुकन जस की न की मुझो मालिक तू
Folks, we started with the praise of Almighty Allah, the creator of all the universes, and this was the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai and sung by Ustad Muhammad Juman, and of course composed by Ustad Muhammad Juman, as Ustad Muhammad Juman was originally basically a music composer. He used to play flute along with the harmonium, and then he started singing firstly at Radio Pakistan Karachi and then the newly established radio station at Hyderabad after 1955, when a fleet of artists was sent to the newly established Radio Pakistan Hyderabad, Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation Hyderabad, and of course then he created a lot of melodies there, made a lot of artists sung as a composer, and he himself sang a lot of melodies. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London's weekly show Indus Melodies, and if you have just tuned into Radio Voice of Sindh London, let me welcome you all to the show, to the weekly venture, the I Am Indus Melodies. After Ustad Muhammad Juman, you would be listening in today's show, sharing with you the contents of today's show. In my playlist, you would be listening Dilshad Mirza, Abida Praveen, Humaira Channa, Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, Samina Kamal, Wahid Ali, Manzoor Sakhirani, Bedil Masroor, Rona Laila, singing the poetries of Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai again, Mirza Ajmal Beg, Ustad Bukhari, Sheikh Ayaz Abdul Ghaffar Tabassum, Musa Kalim and others. When I say others, means there are some other lyricists also whose poetry and lyrics will be included in today's show. As we all know that loving your land from where you belong to, where you dwell, where you have got birth, from where your clay, your dust has been chosen to be created, and where you have to be rested forever, because we have come in this life for a few years, for a limited time of living, and we have come from this dust and we have to go back in this land. So, loving your land is one of the signs of a righteous person, and this should be owned by everybody. This is a natural thing to love your land, and loving your land is also considered and called as a part of your faith, as one of the hadith in Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So, Dilshad Mirza is singing right now the poetry by Ajmal Beg Mirza, who is praising his land, the great Sindh, the great civilization of Indus Valley, which is one of the 4 oldest civilizations of this globe. This song says, "The grace and the grandeur of Sindh is highly commendable and of a highest caliber among all the nations of the world. And the Almighty God has bestowed Sindh with a lot of things in her lap." Let's listen to this beautiful song written out of the love of our land by Ajmal Beg Mirza, sung by Dilshad Mirza. Here we go.
जहां में शायान सिंध जो, शायान सिंध जो।
Welcome to the show, listeners. This was the pretty poetry by Ajmal Beg Mirza, sung by Dilshad Mirza out of the love of this land. And now I'm taking you to the voice of Abida Praveen singing Shah Sai, Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. And this is one of the melodies of Sasui, the most important character of Shah Latif. Here we go.
पलक न रहे, पलक न रहे, दिल तोरिया वरुमिया खान बलूचा। पलक न रहे, पलक न रहे, पलक न रहे, दिल तोरिया वरुमिया खान बलोचा। पलक न रहे, पलक न रहे, दिल तोरिया तोरिया। पलक न रहे खान बलोचा फलक न रहे, फलक न रहे। पोढ़ो संदो पोढ़ते पोढ़ो संदो पोढ़ते वाली कीम विनाय थकिया थोरो लाओ जिया जियरे मिला जतखे मोहब्बत जन जे मन में मोहब्बत जन जे मन में मोहब्बत जन जे मन में तन तशनगी तार पी प्यालो उन जो पी 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 प्यालो पी प्यालो उन जो उन सी उन उथियार पुन्हू पाण प्यार प्यार पुन्हला पाण प्यार त उन सी उन उझाया साजन कारण सुन साजन कारण शून्य कारण शून्य साजन कारण शून्य मरु कबूले ससुई अंदर जनी उन्य अंदर जनी उन्य अंदर जनी उन्य पानी पलक न रहे पलक न रहे दिल तोरिया फरुमिया खान बलोचा पलक न रहे पलक न रहे दिल तोरिया फरुमिया खान बलोचा पलक न रहे उठ चारी दिस उन जा उठ चारी दिस उन जा मथा टकर टोरे उठ चारी दिस उन जा उठ चारी दिस उन जा उठ चारी दिस उन जा मथा टकर टोरे वरुमिया खान बलोचा पलक न रहे पलक न रहे दिल तोरिया तोरिया ओ दिल तोरिया माला माला पलक न रहे दिल तोरिया वरुमिया खान बलोचा पलक न रहे पसी झाझ जमाल जी पसी झाझ जमाल अपर उगांझो थियो अपर उगांझो थियो सूर उनी खे सिक हड न भॻयन हिक सदा सायर सीर में पाणीअ मथे झूपड़ा मूरख उन मरन पाणीअ मथे झूपड़ा पाणीअ मथे झूपड़ा मूरख उन मरन साह ओडो सुपरी साहा ओडो सुपरी लोचे तानल हन दम न सुञाणन दाहू कन मुठन जीअ पलक न रहे दिल तोरिया वरमिया खान बलोचा पलक न रहे पलक न रहे दिल तोरिया वरमिया खान बलोचा पलक न रहे हिता खणी हुत हिता खणी हुत हिता खणी हुत जिन रखियो से रसियूं साजन सुह सुरत विखाए वेझो घणो विखाए वेझो घणो ॾींदस माहू में रुन खे ॾींदस माहू में रुन खे मथा कुल्हन कोरे ॾींदस माहू में रुन खे ॾींदस माहू में रुन मथा कुल्हन कोरे वरमिया खान बलोचा पलक न रहे पलक न रहे दिल तोरिया वरमिया खान बलोचा पलक न रहे ओ मियां पेही ॾुठम पाण में पेही ॾिठुम पाण में करे रूह रिहान तान को डूंगर देह में नका के चिनकान तान को डूंगर देह में तान को डूंगर देह में नको डूंगर देह में नका के चिनकान पुनू थियस पाण ससुई ता सूर हुआ कूड़ियूं पुछन के कूड़ियूं पुछन के चूहो तुन पुछन हितहीं हो हंसी पे चुतन पीरे पंधु विसारियो पलक न रहे दिल तोरिया वरमिया खान बलोचा पलक न रहे पलक न रहे दिल तोरिया पलक न रहे दिल तोरिया वरमिया खान बलोचा पलक न रहे हल ही सी हो तडे हल ही सी हो तडे सिसी खण मसान हल ही सी हो तडे हल ही सी हो तडे सिसी खण मसान जनी भायो पान से आर्याण्या ओरे रहियूं सुखन वारी सध मता का मूसी करे सुखन वारी सध सुखन वारी सध मता का मूसी करे अंदर जनी अध डूंगर से डोरी दियूं जी मियां जी लतीफ पलक न रहे दिल तरिया वरमिया खान बलोचा पलक न रहे अजमली जिस माए धाजा कदस कपड़ा अजमली जिस माए धाजा कदस कपड़ा जीजा जो ज्ञानी थिया जीजा जो ज्ञानी थिया मुखे झलम पा हो तबर बचेलाय कने कुनिर पाया आर्याणी अब्दुल लतीफ चे आर्याणी अब्दुल लतीफ चे सारा लहदम सोरे आर्याणी अब्दुल लतीफ चे आर्याणी अब्दुल लतीफ चे सारा लहदम सोरे वरमिया खान बलोचा पलक
पलक न रहे दिल तोरिय वरम्या खान बलोचा पलक न rahe. It means I'm unable to live a moment without you, O my Khan Baloch, O my Punhu, O my Hoth. Please come back. This was a request by Sasui to her caretaker, to her beloved Punhu or Punhal or Hoth or Khan Baloch, who left her and went away, who was compelled to leave her and was taken away to Balochistan to Kech Makran. And as per traditions, as per folk traditions, the rest of the life of Sasui, the character of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, was utilized while finding her custodian caretaker, beloved. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, and this is Endless Melodies, the weekly show which is being broadcasted every Saturday. Let me welcome you all to the show. This is me, Yasir Kazi, with you, the host of the show. This show is being broadcasted once a week at 3 p.m. and 10 p.m. as Pakistan Standard Time. The first timing is the timing of fresh broadcast, and the second timing shows the repeat broadcast. 3:30 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. as per Indian Standard Time, 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. at UAE, 6 a.m. and 1 p.m. as per Eastern Time, Washington DC, New York City, Toronto and vicinities, which is also called UTC-5 or GMT-4, and 11 o'clock in the morning and 6 p.m. in the evening as per United Kingdom Standard Time. Apart from this show, we meet twice a week in my disc jockey breakfast morning show, which is called Suraj Shahon Kadiyun. The sun has spread its rays, which is being broadcasted every Tuesday and Friday morning at 10 o'clock in the morning and 6 p.m., 6 in the evening as per Pakistan Standard Time, 6 in the morning and 2 o'clock in the afternoon as per United Kingdom Standard Time, 10:30 in the morning and 6:30 in the evening as per Indian Standard Time, 9 in the morning and 5 in the evening as per United Arab Emirates Standard Time, and 1 o'clock at night and 9 in the morning as per Eastern Time, Washington DC, New York City and Toronto. Right now, I am taking you to a beautiful melody sung by Humaira Channa for the film Tufan. Tufan was the film for which for the very first time Allan Fakir was also made sung for 2 of its songs. Before that, Allan Fakir's voice was never considered for a playback, but this was the Tufan movie, one of the popular Sindhi movies for which Humaira Channa also sang. Humaira Channa sings this song for this very movie, in which she says, "Oh my dearly beloved, oh you pretty soul, all the beautiful scenarios are more attractive while being around you." Let's listen to this melody.
इकरार कयूं ढोलण यार प्यारा मुंजा मोहिबा मिठा तोता जान फिदा मुंजा मोहिबा मिठा तोता जान फिदा हरदम शाद गुजारी आहे दिल जी सदा हरदम शाद गुजारी आहे दिल जी सदा ढोलण यार प्यारा सुहणी सूरत वारा ढोलण यार प्यारा सुहणी सूरत वारा तो सा खूब सुहन था निर्मल नीहू नजारा तो सा खूब सुहन था निर्मल नीहू नजारा ढोलण यार
All right, listeners, we were listening this melody by Humaira Channa in program Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this was chosen from Sindhi movie Tufan. And this is the voice of Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, who is singing this beautiful melody. Here we go.
मुर्कंदाई रहा विच जा फासला हिक ॿिए खां हुआसीं जुदा मुर्कंदाई रहा विच जा फासला हिक ॿिए खां हुआसीं जुदा हुआसीं जुदा हथ पाबंद ऐं चप चुपचाप हा हथ पाबंद ऐं चप चुपचाप हा ज़हन में लफ़्ज़ सुॾिका भरींदा रहा मां हिक ॿिए खां हुआसीं जुदा मुर्कंदाई रहा विच जा फासला हिक ॿिए खां हुआसीं जुदा हुआसीं जुदा वक़्तु मूंखां खसे जो भी खसणो अथसि वक़्तु मूंखां खसे जो भी खसणो अथसि तुंहिंजे घर ॾे वञनि भाग जा पेचरा तूं ऐं मां हिक ॿिए खां हुआसीं जुदा मुर्कंदाई रहा विच जा फासला तूं ऐं मां हिक ॿिए खां हुआसीं जुदा हुआसीं जुदा कुछ विसारे सुताई रहा सुख सब कुछ विसारे सुताई रहा मीं जाग्यो त सब दर्द जागी पिया हिक बेखा हुआसी जुदा मुर्कंदाई रहा विच जा फासला हिक बेखा हुआसी जुदा हुआसी जुदा हुआसी जुदा हुआसी जुदा
This is Dr. Terry Jackson, and you're listening to Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show, and it will change your life.
You and I were already apart from each other. All the gaps lied in between kept mocking both of us, kept taunting both of us, and kept laughing upon us. This was a song sung by Muhammad Yusuf, which was incorporated in this weekly show, Indus Melodies, which is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. As I told you, as you all know, that this is November 7th, the 7th day of the 11th month of 2020, and after this month, the last month of 2020 would occur, and then we will start a new year. Wish you all the best for the new year, because 2020 was not so good year. It was not a very happy year due to COVID-19, due to Corona, due to lockdown, because more than half year was passed in the lockdown, and this was the year full of economic crisis, the job crisis, and the poverty, and the uncertainty about our lives, even about the businesses, about the lockdown. And when we say lockdown, we saw lockdown as per its letter and spirit, as we all worked from home and all the educational institutions were closed, and etc. etc. So, wish you all a really happy new year in advance, and may we get rid of this pandemic during this new year. And as Oxford University shows a hope for a vaccine of COVID, let's hope for this, and let's pray that this vaccine may not only be invented but may also be easily available for whole the world, for everybody living around the globe. So from yesterday in Islamabad, Lok Virsa, the Folk Heritage Festival has started, in which Sindh is also participating, and this is a festival which is being celebrated every year during the month of April, but due to lockdown and the COVID pandemic, this is being celebrated in this cold weather, because November is so cold for the federal capital. So I'll be sharing more about this festival with you, but right now I'm taking you to the voice of Samina Kamal, one of the topmost melodious singers from Sindh even today, who is the daughter of Zebun Nisa, one of the popular folk singers from Sindh. And Samina Kamal herself and her mother both learned music from Ustad Muhammad Juman, one of the maestros of music. Samina Kamal is singing for film Dunali, and Dunali was the debut film as a playback singer for Samina Kamal. And in this very song, Samina sings, "I'm crazy for you, my loved one. I request you not to express your annoyance for me and look at me contentedly." Here we go. So, folks, this was Samina Kamal singing for Sindhi movie Dunali, and we included this song in Indus Melodies, the weekly show of Radio Voice of Sindh London. You all are welcome to the show. So, I was sharing with you for the Lok Virsa Mela, the Folk Heritage Festival, the annual festival organized by Lok Virsa. the Folk Heritage Institution and the Museum at Shakkarpadiya, Islamabad. And this festival started yesterday on 6th of November, and this will continue till 15th of November. All my listeners, all my folks listening in or around Islamabad can visit this festival, which is decorated with the pavilions made by all the 4 provinces and GB, Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad Kashmir. There are 6 pavilions made by Sindh, Punjab, KP, Balochistan, GB and Azad Kashmir, and every pavilion contains about 35 to 50 stalls of everything from that province, the handicrafts of that province, the cuisine, the attire, the replicas, the showpieces, the eatables, everything belonging to that province is available for sale over there. Not only this, but the live music is live there by the artists and musicians of that province in between that pavilion, which can be enjoyed for whole the day. And apart from that, every evening organizes a musical night by every province. Means there are 6 musical nights, and if you want to attend Sindh musical night in Lok Virsa, that would be on 12th of November, the Thursday, which would be hosted by myself, and I'll be there for whole the next week, and I'll be hosting all my shows from Islamabad for next week. So I will be updating you about the festival, that what is going on there, and are people participating in it with the same spirit which I see every year, or there is a difference after pandemic. I'll be updating you about the festival, about the proceedings of the festival. So yesterday this festival was inaugurated, and today is the second day of this festival. If you want to visit this festival, that is free for everybody. You can bring your families, your children, your friends there. You can visit this festival, and the colors of all the provinces, the folk colors, the cultural colors, the historical colors of all the provinces of Pakistan. Right now, I'm taking you to this gloomy but beautiful song by Sheikh Ayaz, sung by Wahid Ali, which says to the beloved that I kept waiting for you throughout the night. Why didn't you opt to come to my doorsteps, oh my cherished darling? Here we go.
मुंहिंजा अॼु गीत मुंहिंजा ॾाढा उॾाणा तो लाइ थींदे ॾिया उछाणा तो लाइ थींदे ॾिया उछाणा अॼुकल्ह अयाज़ा मरहम महांगी अॼुकल्ह अयाज़ा मरहम महांगी ऐं घाव तुंहिंजा ऐं घाव तुंहिंजा आहिनि पुराणा तो लाइ थींदे ॾिया उछाणा तो लाइ थींदे ॾिया उछाणा छो कोन आवे छो कोन आवे तूं राति राणा तो लाइ थींदे ॾिया उछाणा तो लाइ थींदे ॾिया उछाणा
All right, listeners, all right, folks, you are listening the poetry of Sheikh Ayaz by Wahid Ali in the show Indus Melodies. And let me take you to another gloomy song after this gloomy song, but don't be gloomy after listening these songs. Enjoy the melodies, enjoy the poetry, enjoy the way of singing. This is sung by Manzoor Sakhirani and the lyrics are written by Abdul Ghaffar Tabassum, which says, the song says, in the gloomy weather, my ways are miserable. In the dark, lonely times, my thoroughfares are filled with tears. Let's listen to this song.
सारा सुञाण
So, folks, we were listening the poetry of Abdul Ghaffar Tabassum by Manzoor Sakhirani. I'll be presenting another song by Manzoor Sakhirani in a while, written by Ustad Bukhari, and that is also one of the beautiful melodies by Manzoor Sakhirani. See at the choice of songs which we include in our playlist. So, folks, are you enjoying US elections? Yeah, I'm enjoying a lot, especially the results which have come and which are still pending to come, because as far as the counting of ballot voting and advance voting, early voting is concerned, that takes 5 to 6 days more in counting, and I hope that by this weekend, by today or tomorrow, we'll be able to know the whole results of US presidential elections. But apparently, Joseph Biden, a Democratic candidate, is about to win and about to enter the White House. And that is a good sign that the racist like Donald Trump loses, though we expected that he will lose with a large majority, especially by his loose steps in terms of COVID-19, and Joe Biden will sweep, but that could not happen. There's a tie between both candidates, which shows that America is changing in terms of racism, in terms of promoting warfare and the conflict, and in terms of unseriousness. Many of my friends are listening my show in the United States of America, and many of those would be the supporters of Republicans. I mean the elephant, but there's a white elephant in the room. And I think for Pakistan, because these elections are important for not only United States of America, but all the countries, especially the third world countries like Pakistan, which are being ruled from Washington DC directly or indirectly. So this is very important for us, the people dwelling in such countries, that who would be the next dweller of the White House, or who would be the custodian of the Oval Office. So let's hope that Joe Biden comes in the White House, and the next 4 years are in favor of this region, especially Pakistan and Afghanistan. The US troops vacate Afghan region, and there should be peace in this region. We are really hopeful and praying for the peace in this region and in whole the world. So Biden, wish you success and hope to see you in Jan 2021 taking an oath as the 40th President of the United States of America. Right now I'm taking you to a beautiful melody sung by Bedil Masroor, and the lyrics are written by Ustad Bukhari. The song says, "You might have seen my roving love, my wandering love in the streets," I mean the streets of life, of course, "or might have read in the paper about it, who you might have happened to be face to face on almost every avenue." Let's listen to this beautiful song by Bedil Masroor.
बाजार में ॾिठो हूंद, अख़बार में पढ़ो हूंद, बाजार में ॾिठो हूंद, अख़बार में पढ़ो हूंद। अधरात जो सॼो हूंद, तारो खिड़ियो त मां डोड़ुसि, अधरात जो सॼो हूंद। हूंद तारो खिड़ियो तमाडोरस अध रात जो सॼो हूंद अध रात जो सॼो हूंद बाज़ार में ॾिठो हूंद बाज़ार में ॾिठो हूंद अख़बार में पढ़ियो हूंद
Alright folks, we were listening the poetry of Ustad Bukhari by Bedul Masroor, and in Indus Melodies, welcoming you all. This is me Yasir Kazi and taking you again to the poetry of Ustad Bukhari in another voice. As I told you that I'll be including Manzoor Sakhirani again. But before that, let me include here a question from my friend Murtaza Sihar, who is listening to us at Islamabad and who asked me that what would be the playlist of Sindhi Musical Night at Lok Virsai on 12th of November. So I'm not allowed to share with you the whole playlist, but let me share with you a few names. Master Wali will be singing in this musical night. Narodha Malini will be there. Tufail Sanjrani will be a part of this musical night, and of course Yasir Kazi will be hosting this musical night on 12th of November 6 p.m. at Lok Virsai Islamabad, and this is free. This is FREE in bold, in capital, for everybody who can come on 12th of November at Lok Virsai Islamabad can happily attend this musical night. Thank you very much, Nusrat Chandiyo. You heard, you listened our yesterday's show and you appreciated the show. Farad Salim, thank you very much. Nigat Seema, thank you very much. Raza Muhammad Zardari, thank you very much. Amna Halai, thank you very much. Anila Mirani, thank you very much. Ada Mama, thank you very much. Manur Ismail from Ladkano, thank you very much that you listened to the show and you liked the show. Right now, I'm taking you to Ustad Bukhari's lyrics, and these lyrics are very much localized, as the style of swearing is typically in the local style as we almost use in the northern part of Sindh, Uttar Sindh. And this is the typical style of taking an oath to make somebody, especially to make your beloved, believe on what you say. That is Noor Bhatare or Noor Mithe Jo Kasam, means I swear by my sight. If I tell a lie, my sight should be gone, and I should not be seeing. This is so interesting, but this is a part of our folklore. What can we do? So, Manzoor Sakhrani is singing Ustad Bukhari's poetry, and Ustad Bukhari, in this wild style, in this rural style, says, I could not sleep for whole the night while missing you, my soul, my dear, my beloved, my cherished one. I swear by my sight. I swear by Noor Bhatare. And if I tell a lie, my sight should go, and I may not see you and all the colors of the life for rest of my life. Oh, my wife. I mean, the wife of future. So let's listen to this beautiful melody, but of course interesting for those who are not from rural Sindh and who dwell in urban Sindh, who proceed with the urban style of, lifestyle. That would be some weird for those, but this is the rural style and the folk style. Anyways, let's listen to this beautiful song, which would be the second last song of today's playlist.
सुहना तो के सारे सारे सुहना तो के सारे सारे निंद्र न आए नूर भटारे निंद्र न आए नूर भटारे सुहना तो के सारे सारे निंद्र न आई नूर भटारे निंद्र न आई नूर भटारे सुहना तो के सारे सारे तारों तारों मीछूं दे तारों तारों मीछूं दे तुह जो अखड़ियों याद दिया रे तुह जो अखड़ियों याद दिया रे सुहना तो के सारे सारे निंद्र न आई नूर भटारे निंद्र न आई नूर भटारे सुहना तो के सारे सारे हर हर छोही छिरक वचन था हर हर छोही छिरक वचन था नस न सके थो नीह पुकारे नस न सके थो नीह पुकारे सुहना तो के सारे सारे निंद्र न आई नूर भटारे निंद्र न आई नूर भटारे सुहना तो के सारे सारे लोक सुतो उस्ताद असांजे लोक सुतो उस्ताद असांजे ओ सियड़े खे केर सुम्हारे ओ सियड़े खे केर सुम्हारे सुहणा तो के सारे सारे सुहणा तो के सारे सारे निंद्र न आई नूर भटारे निंद्र न आई नूर भटारे सुहणा तो के सारे सारे निंद्र न आए नूर भटारे निंद्र न आए नूर भटारे सुहणा तो के सारे सारे
So, listeners, this was Manzoor Sakhirani singing the lyrics written by Ustad Bukhari, and we have to believe what Ustad Bukhari said, that he was awake for whole the night, and we would have to believe because the comparative degree of this swear is Noor Jo Qasam, I swear by sight, but the superlative degree is Noor Bhatare. Noor Bhatare is, extreme kind of taking swear. So we would have to believe what Ustad Bukhari said. So let's wrap up the show, and before wrapping up the show, let me request you, like always, that please don't forget to extend your feedback. And while extending your feedback, don't only write that you liked the show. You liked the show, but what did you like the most? And what do you want to listen? Which are the voices you want to listen? Which are the segments you want to listen? Which are the topics about Sindh and the people and the dwellers of Sindh and the past and present of Sindh, which you want to be discussed in this show? This should be also the part of your feedback. So extend your feedback by various means. By writing to me through email. My email is djyasirqazi@yahoo.com, djyasirqazi@yahoo.com, or fmwyq946@gmail.com, fmwyq946@gmail.com. This actually stands for Fresh Morning with Yasir Qazi. 946 was once upon a time, it was a channel 94.6 from where I did this show, Fresh Morning with Yasir Qazi. So this email ID belongs to that era and still continues, fmwyq946@gmail.com. If you want to write to me or extend your feedback through my Facebook page, you can like my Facebook fan page, which is facebook.com/fmwyq. If you want to follow me on Twitter, my Twitter handle is @RJ Yasir Qazi, RJYSIRQAZI. If you want to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is with the name of Yasir Qazi, YASIRQAZI. I insist on Q again and again because there are many people who have the second name, who have the surname as Qazi, but they spell it with K. But I spell my name with Q, YASIRQAZI. And if you want to directly write the same in the address bar, that would be youtube.com/FMWQY. So you're requested to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for the continuous updates, whatever we post, whenever we post, and whenever we come live for our live shows. You can also share with your friends and family to like it and to subscribe to it. I'm grateful to my brother, my friend Sarvech Uddho, the program coordinator and the transmission coordinator, and Mr. Imdad Uddho, the CEO of Radio Voice of Sindh London and the transmission in charge of this whole transmission, for being with us, for guiding us, and for making this possible that I'm talking to you right now. Runa Laila is singing the lyrics written by Musa Kalim for one of the Sindhi movies, in which she says, "You cherished my heart when you came to me after your great win. May you live long, my sweetheart." And especially when she sings the punchline of this song, "Wa wa," that makes the melody more beautiful. And as far as the beat of the song is concerned, that is already interesting and that is upbeat. "Mujhe dil ke sajana to tharyo ho moro mojo khatiya ode." But if I don't tell you that she is pronouncing Tharyo, That would also sound like Sadio. Tario means you made my heart comfortable, and Sadio means you burnt my heart. You teased me, you hurt me. So, this is something to be heard attentively. She is definitely saying, Tario, मुझे दिल के सजन तो ठार्यो, हो मोरू मुझो खटिया योड़े, हाय हाय हो मोरू मुझो खटिया योड़े, मुझा प्यारा जवानी तुमानी. And the interesting part is, वाह. So, let's listen to this melody in the end of the show. I hope you would love to listen this melody, and please extend your feedback about this melody, this very melody also. This is me, Asir Kazi, signing off from the weekly show and this melodies. See you on 10th November, Tuesday morning, 10 o'clock in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time in my disc jockey breakfast morning show, Suraj Shahon Kadiyon. Be nice to everybody, be kind to all. Aloha, Haq Maujood, Sindh Maujood, Sada Maujood. Take care, goodbye and Allah Hafiz. Tata and bye-bye. Over and out.
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो। सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं इख़्लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जुमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिश्वरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि, वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मान वारनि सॼणनि खे सिंध में शऊरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिकु मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिकु नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर, ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं ख़ुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।